rain come down for a while ago. Why the one is what? I'm gonna peel some potato, you know. Yeah, man, I'm vexed because you know what? They have video people and next one you start playing some music, so can't do much talking another video here. Yeah, so let's watch what I go. I cook some cow skin soup with beef and peanut, right? Yeah. Food I cook and happy. Our peas and our peanut here, so just strain off the water, you know. So watch it now. We have some peas and peanut and pimento and thyme in this. I just throw it in the pot. It go on boil. See that? See the beef and the cow skin. I put them in the pressure cooker. And them soft because you don't see anything that long for cooking up. So you have to pressure them up. How can you have a pot cover?
Mama. Letak tu betul nak guna ruam.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Where's spoon?
It's a fruit.
How can I piece this?
Pina.
A float, so?
Pina arawa wala putih dia float. Ini pina float.
Peanut.
Pina tak float. Peanut tak float. Of course.
How does it float, so?
When you cook it, float. Ano na ikaw ang magpawata in the fish photo ba? Kahit pa natin mo apawata.
Forward. Boil up, peas are boil up. Put you in the beef tonight for me there. Yeah, man, see there?
Go straight down.
Yeah, man, the beef gone in and thing. So I go. And then the boil up a little bit before I throw in the pumpkin and sit in the night. Yeah, man, so I've corn in this boil up already and thing. So what we're going to do, I'll throw some coconut milk in the cow food thing, you know. And the cow food soup. Cow skin and a piece of beef.
I get the dumplings ready for the dumplings. Vanilla was still a dumpling. With some combine the flour and the triangle together. Just finished filling the dumpling. As you can see, look at it. This is what you want. Yeah man, so this will go sit on for the next 20 minutes before we can put it in the pot. See? Yeah man, that's how we do it now in Jamaica. People now go to the yard and we cook. Yeah man, so pot din. Look lang baby ko there. Especially dry. Why me?
breadfruit off our tree and put nice soap. Breadfruit are big easy. Watch it. Fresh breadfruit. Fresh breadfruit off of the tree. See the stain? Look there. Yeah, man.
Yeah. We can pick breadfruit off a tree.
Yeah, man, so it's all gonna the soap ready. But just want the cow skin boil a bit more. And the peas and the peanut. Yeah, man. I know them things that take long to boil. Now. Them soup they take like 3 hours to boil. Yeah, man, so when them things are ready still, we show them what we have. The rain come down from here a while ago, spoil the whole of the pot. Or grab pot, grab table, or run. That's enough for you, bro. The rain mash up the outdoor cooking today now. Yeah, man, we look forward. We look forward to the outdoor cooking, but the rain mash it up. So we have to grab everything and run. And as you guys can see, I was trying to do outdoor cooking. I was cooking some cow skin and beef soup with different vegetables and stuff inside of it. But all of a sudden, the rain come down, and as you can see how hard it's been falling. I'm telling you guys, I have to abandon this cooking completely. Rain and it fall for like about 20 minutes, and there's so much water. We just put it two barrels there, and they were empty, and the rain filled it in less than 20 minutes, both of them. But guess what? I'm still here cooking cow skin soup with peanut. I do it. But you know what I'm saying? We still have to cook same way because I soup is what I want. Soup I cook. Yeah. Big old pot of soup. See that? Cow skin. So watch that out, I go. When you have to go in the kitchen, go wash my hand because you have water. Go wash my hand out there, so. So then I say, so I go wash my hand and dump my water out there, so. So we do my yard style. Okay, big old rainwater, you know. Natural water for bathing and wash your hair right there. So now, I think the cow skin almost boiling now. So they were throwing me the vegetable and all, see there? The pumpkin and the carrot and everything. Everything washed up already and cut up. So everything is going in the pot. Yeah, so all the vegetable, watching on the fire drop out of the pot bottom. So all the vegetables are going in right now. As you can see, people, the peas them, they're cooked already. So yeah, let me try the peanut. So this is the peanut. Yeah, peanut cooked too. Yeah. So I'm going to leave that again boiling out. Oh. I'll leave it again boiling out. 20 minutes. So watch that on, I'm going to slice off piece of the breadfruit. Yeah. Come on, this is the good old yellow yam. You see what I say? Alright, so seeing this, my doesn't feel so heavy, so let me just take that now because these don't like this and we cut off all of the food. Let me feel. And guess what, you know now? You see like how the rain fall. The mosquito them soon come down, so mosquito them soon come down heavy. You want us to come down like a swarm and deal with the wicked. You want to see the big pot of soap? You want the big old pot of soap, red peas and peanut, cow skin. You want all the vegetable and stuff inside of it. So right now I'm going to taste. I'm going to taste the water and see the salt content in there. Yeah? And this is how to do it. Yeah, I think the salt. You know how to cook? You know how to cook? Eh? You don't know how to cook? So you're asking if it tastes good. Eh? The boy bright, you know. You look never can ask me if the food tastes good. Eh?
You're not bright.
You're bright. You can smell that flavor coming together already. You know. So I'm gonna give that another 10 more minutes, and then I can put in the soup, the food, and all of that. Look, people, I even got puppies. Look.
How much for that?
Yeah, man, Facebook Live with the pan. Yeah, man, Herbie, the man will pass through more time and make sure everything alright, you know?
Yeah.
Mr. Stone!
Up to the time.
Up to the what?
Time.
Turn up what is making people and see you, man. Turn up this Facebook Live, you know?
Facebook.
Yeah.
I'm a bad man.
You know that wanted, man. You know that wanted.
Myself.
A Taliban, man, as you remember me head.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I Stone that, man. You get me?
Big up yourself.
And guess what now? The mosquito them coming down. What time is it now? Huh? Around what time now? This is the feeding time. It's for the mosquitoes. Guys, I'm gonna put in my my food in my soup and get it going. All right. So breadfruit, yam, sweet potato, Irish. I go in the pot. You know how much people are bleach pan the soup? We have about 10 to 11 people are bleach pan this soup. Want some of this soup right now. And they can't wait for the soup done. You understand? I'm going to taste the soup nice. By look at taste, I'm going to taste it already. Yeah. I will have food tonight. You have some corn tonight, corn on the cob. So I let this boil for another 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna put in the dumpling. No, sir. I'm gonna that's a whole heap of soup, you know, guys. That's a whole heap of soup, man. I'm gonna put some more charcoal in the stove. I'm telling you guys, this soup is one of the hardest soup to cook. This soup will take around good 4 hours to cook. But after it cook, it worth it. I'm telling you.
You have to start it from early.
When the soup finish, it worth it. And right now the fire, nah, go with nothing. If you have blow fire. You never blow fire. Yeah, soon put in the dumpling, man. And funny enough, you know, I buy 4 bags of charcoal. 3 bags. I tell my sister to buy 4 bags and she buy 3 bags. And I tell her, say, yo, and the last bit of it, that, you know, I hope it can cook the rest. If you can't cook the rest, I'm gonna have to put it on the gas burner. You're like, seriously. And the fire dead down. Watch out now, I'm funny.
Wow, you're hungry now.
I who say them hungry?
Lazy!
Lacey say, she hungry? No man, something going on with that cold here. I mean the mosquito here soon start fight. How you doing, man?
Yo, put in the dumpling on.
Wait, man. Wait, it's me to catch a fire. You see the fire blaze, baby, bro? More fire.
Fire, baby.
More fire. And watch out now, fire good. They get cold, see them there? You got some fire blaze up now and pot cook fast. This must can cook it now. Like seriously. So I'm gonna make it blaze up and then put down what the thing on it. Yeah?
Let's not eat around this, so let's go now and
So I must stay alright to cook. I'm gonna left. A good man, I say I must tell my eating around it. Because the good I'm not gonna left me.
We never go left, we just step on the veranda.
See the people them there, tell them aye.
Aye.
They're not see you.
Aye.
You're late.
It's not go done cook till the morning.
You think so?
Yeah.
Yeah, they want to make people. The food not done cook till the morning. At least it a cook. At least it a go done cook.
It's all cooked till finish cook 12 o'clock at night.
I dance with your kids, right? So, the dumpling ready. Knead up. I'm going to put them in the pot now.
You know.
Roll up some spinach, you know. Them soup and normal soup, you know. Jai,
What?
the whole of the run left me and come on here look now. And the fire dead me there when I fan fire.
Make the fire dead for the cold.
Because when I cool down
Cold them this. If one I cold burn.
a while ago.
Eh?
How we did that?
I don't know who you buy from.
I see one and go buy cold a while ago.
I don't know. Me and them I can't see what I never know. But I didn't have to light the gas stove with the fire then.
So much sitting?
Battery dead.
Battery are dead? Which one? On the phone?
Yeah. It's time for you to come on.
Yeah.
Charge it for now.
So we should come on.
Plug it in this one, plug it in this one.
Are you gonna come on? Say
You
bye.
can't do that.
Say bye.
Guys, I'm gonna go. My battery is going, man. So, sorry we can't show the soup when it come bring them closer to me.
Bye bye.
You know. So guys, my battery is dying, so you can't see my face. My battery is dying, guys, so I'm gonna have to end this live now. How many see the battery I did last year? How you see that?
We see 14.
Is it? So guys, until next time, cook and inspire. Chef Garnet there. Cow skin and peanut soup. We're showing you the result and put it on Facebook after, yeah? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, yeah? Because we know we have some awesome contents on this channel, yeah? Okay? And yeah, and you can check me out on Facebook also, you know, Cook and Inspire. And Instagram, Cook and Inspire _76. I'm telling you, man, I have to be talking very loud because the rain, and you can see the lightning, and you can hear the thunder and everything. It's a beautiful sight. So, guys, love you, and I'll see you when I see you. You hear that? Thunder roll, lightning flash. Lift them, Father, with storm and thunder.